Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting documents so the application proceeds without delay. Once you have ID, recent payslips, and a bank statement, select the phone model and set a down payment. This lowers monthly fees. Open the Home Credit app or go to the store kiosk to start. Make sure to enter your personal data exactly as on your ID to avoid verification delays, and choose an installment tenor that matches your monthly budget before submitting the first digital form. Next, you complete the detailed application and pass verification. Carefully fill employment and income fields because lenders cross-check bank deposits. Upload clean document images. If blurry, the system rejects them and delays approval. Once submitted, consent to a credit check and use the electronic signature flow. This speeds up processing. Expect an initial decision within hours to 1 business day. If asked, promptly provide supplementary documents or clarify employment details to move from provisional to final approval. Finally, you accept and finalize the installment contract after reviewing APRA, monthly amount, and any fees. Make the down payment in store or via the app, get a copy of the signed agreement, and set up auto debit to avoid missed payments. Once done, the phone is released or delivered. If the application is denied, request the explicit reason, check for data entry errors, then reapply with corrected documents or a co-signer. This single troubleshooting step often resolves common rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.